What's the meaning of burgeon? Burgeon. Burgeon.
Burgeon. Burgeon. The word burgeon means to grow or develop quickly, often in a way that is impressive or flourishing. When a plant or tree burgeons, it rapidly produces new leaves, shoots, and flowers, signaling a period of growth and expansion. Similarly, when an idea or business burgeons, it experiences a surge of growth and success, expanding rapidly and becoming more prominent within its industry or sphere of influence. The term conveys a sense of vitality and energy, suggesting that something is experiencing a significant burst of growth and development.